two events A and B are such that the probability of A is 0.6, the probability of B is 0.4, and the probability of A or B or union B is 0.8. Find the probability of A given B. So this is not too difficult. So we take the information out. We've got the probability of A is 0.6, the probability of B is 0.2, and the probability of A union B is 0.8. Now, the probability, you need to learn this formula. The probability of A union B is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersection B. So therefore, 0.8 is equal to 0.6 plus 0.4 minus probability of A intersection B. Rearranging that, the probability of A intersection B will be 0.6 plus 0.4, take away 0.8, which will give me 0.2. Or you could look at it using a Venn diagram, where this is 0.2. This one would be 0.6 minus 0.2, which gives me 0.4. This one here will be 0.4 minus 0.2, which is 0.2. These have to add up to 1, so out here we have 0.2. So the probability of A given B is given by this formula. The probability of A intersection B divided by the probability of B. So the probability of A given B is going to be 0.2, the intersection, divided by the probability of B, which is 0.4. And we can see we're going to get an answer of a half. So this has been a video to show you how to find a conditional probability using a Venn diagram. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.